warm, as you can see. Time to wash.
Let's get some hot oil treatment. For my country, we don't measure until your ancestors say it's okay. So this is my special hair oil. A lot of herbs infused, so I'm going to add small amounts because I don't have much left. So black castor oil, just small, obere, ntakere, enough. I'm not supposed to add it to, but you know when you have something to be shaking you to use it. Get that, it will cheer, then hold on, I will take miracle. Let me bring hot water. So in here is hot water, miracle. It's in your name. You have prayer. Leave it for a while. Okay? For the oil to be warm, not so hot. Yota, do you understand? Obagente, thank you. Let's wait for it. Small, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now the oil is warm, as you can see. So for the people that will ask me what type of oil are you using, I'm using coconut oil, argan oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, castor.
What to do next? You don't know, right? Look at me. Watch me. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Oh, the oil is so warm. If you don't have this, you can use your normal, what is it called, your normal oil applicator. You get, you can go to Google and Google about oil treatment, the benefits, okay? Then come back and say thank you. Abromonyo yibo mama so yibo aka me se kan kwa serum. Guys, what happened? Magic emereba wano moko neze. Are you playing? Ọ na-atọ ka sugar. Ọ tọkarịrị some people relationship iwe. Don't be offended. I'm just saying the truth, okay? This video is going to be unedited because Ikenje made it in Adirum. So when noise in and please Baharam manage the video like that. Okay. Ebim na trenches. So baby na trenches. What do you expect? Open. So I'm going to add more oil and leave it the same way because this one is not enough. I'll be right back. Ooh. Let's set a timer for 15 minutes, nothing more than that. You can choose to make it 30 minutes, but mine is 15 minutes because I have things to do. You get my point? Here's my timer. Hey, in the village, my village people finally allowed me to see, so I'm setting it for 15 minutes. Once it's 15 minutes, we'll go and do the normal wash. See you guys later. So guys, it's 15 minutes and this is the product I'll be using: shampoo, conditioner, and this Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. You guys know that I don't do my wash day without using my deep conditioner. Is that even possible? No. So let's go do the work. Sorry. So I'll be right back. Time to wash. Finally done, washed, and yeah, now I feel so good. I feel so good, I feel so good, everywhere fresh. Can your front hair ever? Skin is also skinning. So guys, I'm not good at drying my hair with any heat, so I'm going to leave it like this till tomorrow. Then I'll figure out what to do. I don't know. Thank you for watching. Bye.